सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के देहांत के बाद कई लोगों ने उन्हें याद करते हुए सोशल मीडिया पर कई सारे पोस्ट किए, लेकिन दर्शकों को जिनकी पोस्ट सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आई वो थी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड अंकिता लोखंडे की। आइए चलिए इस वीडियो में जानते हैं कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के देहांत के बाद अंकिता लोखंडे ने उन्हें याद करते हुए क्या कुछ बातें कही हैं। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को गुजरे हुए अब तकरीबन 3 महीना होने आ चुका है, लेकिन अब भी उनके प्रशंसक और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोग उनकी मौत की गम से उभर नहीं पाए हैं। अब भी हर दिन सुशांत सिंह राजपूत सुर्खियों में नजर आ रहे हैं। भले आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत हमारे बीच नहीं है, लेकिन अब भी वो अपने प्रशंसकों के दिलों में बसे हुए हैं। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को इंसाफ मिले, इस हेतु लोग लगातार अपनी आवाज उठाते हुए नजर आए हैं। और इसी बीच कुछ लोग ऐसे भी थे जिन्होंने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को याद करते हुए कई सारे इमोशनल मैसेजेस भेजे। इन्हीं में से एक थी अंकिता लोखंडे, जो कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड रह चुकी हैं। अंकिता लोखंडे ने क्या कुछ कहा, चलिए इस वीडियो में जानते हैं। Ankita Lokhande and Sushant Singh Rajput were once touted to be one of the most loved couples in the entertainment industry. The two met on the sets of their debut show Pavitra Rishta and became a real-life couple. However, after dating over 6 years, Sushant and Ankita called it quits in 2016 and parted ways. On June 14, 2020, the entire country was left in a state of shock when the news of Sushant's untimely demise broke out. From his fans to colleagues, friends to family, everyone was left devastated with the news of his death. Ankita was also shocked and heartbroken. While she kept a low profile after her former boyfriend Sushant's demise, Ankita gathered courage, and since the last few weeks, she has been at the forefront demanding justice for Sushant. The actress has become more vocal and has called for justice multiple times. She has stood by Sushant's family headstrong after his demise and has been supporting them in their fight to know the truth and get justice. She has become a pillar of support for Sushant Singh Rajput's family and is standing by their side as a strong support system. From asking a CBI inquiry, joining the global prayer for Sushant Singh Rajput's campaign, to praying in front of Lord Ganesha for Sushant, rejecting depression theory, Ankita has shared several social media posts for Sushant and his family. Ankita's support and standing for Sushant has been lauded by many, and some also called her a true inspiration. Let's take a look at the post Ankita shared on social media after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Standing by the family. Ankita Lokhande kept a low profile after Sushant's demise. She was away from the media glare for almost a month after the tragic incident and didn't use social media as well. Her first post came exactly a month after Sushant's death on July 14th, wherein she shared a photo of a diya she lit in her house and wrote, "Child of God." A week after, yet another time, she shared a photo of a candle as she hoped and prayed for strength. Without mentioning Sushant in her post, she wished he was smiling wherever he is. After joining the campaign for justice for Sushant, Ankita raised her voice and stood headstrong by Sushant's family to support them in their fight for justice. She gave interviews to several media channels where she not only dismissed the depression theory revolving around his death, but also vocally spoke about their relationship and equation thereafter. She clearly stated it took her a lot of courage to come out and speak after Sushant's passing away. But she is doing it for his family, sisters and his father KK Singh, as she understands their pain and loss and they deserve to know the truth. Demanding CBI inquiry for Sushant Singh Rajput. After Sushant's death, many of his fans, friends and family members were left disheartened. They were unable to believe that a bright person like him could take his life. Soon many discrepancies in Mumbai police's investigation started coming out in the media. So, to raise their voice for justice and truth, many fans, along with Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti and Kangana Ranaut, demanded a CBI probe in Sushant's death. They demanded the Central Bureau of Investigation to take over Sushant's case and solve the mystery around his death. A campaign #CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput took to the internet by storm. Ankita also backed Shweta in her fight and demanded a CBI probe for Sushant's case. Taking to social media, Ankita shared a video in which she is seen holding a sheet of paper with "Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput", #CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput written on it. Ankita said that she feels that the country would want to know what transpired with Sushant. Later on August 19th, Sushant Singh Rajput's fans rejoiced as the Supreme Court finally transferred the late actor's case to the CBI and directed the agency to conduct a further probe. Like many others, Ankita welcomed and hailed the Supreme Court's judgment and called it a victory of the truth. Calling it the first step to justice for Sushant, she wrote, "Justice is the truth in action. Truth wins." Clarifying allegations leveled against her. While fighting the battle of justice, Rhea Chakraborty leveled several allegations against Sushant's former girlfriend Ankita. From Sushant paying for Ankita's flat to two being in touch after their separation, Rhea accused Ankita of not speaking the complete truth in front of people. However, Ankita did not stay quiet about Rhea's allegations and clarified everything with proof. Ankita shared photos of her flat's registration and bank statements, squashing reports stating that Sushant had paid Rs 4.5 crore for an apartment in Malad occupied by Ankita. Later, when Rhea claimed that Ankita and Sushant were in contact even after their breakup, Ankita clarified that she has never stated in any of her interviews that she had kept in touch with the late actor, sharing a picture of Sushant's mother. While the investigation is being carried out, Ankita shared a picture of Sushant's mother with a moving note for Sushant and left everyone emotional. She held a framed photograph of Sushant's mother in her hand and wrote, "Believe you both are together." Sushant was very close to her mother and often posted about the emptiness he felt after her passing away, questioning Rhea's claim of Sushant suffering claustrophobia. In her first interview after Sushant's demise, Rhea claimed that the actor was suffering from claustrophobia and had told about his problem to her during their trip to Europe. However, Ankita, who knew Sushant for almost 7 years, did not buy Rhea's version and questioned her claustrophobia theory. Ankita shared a throwback video of Sushant flying a flight simulator and took a dig at Rhea's claim. In the throwback video, Sushant can be seen trying his hands on the simulator and seems to have done a pretty good job of it. Slamming Rhea, Ankita wrote, "Is this claustrophobia? You always wanted to fly and you did it and we all are proud of you." आज भी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत से जुड़ी कौन सी बातें आपको याद आती हैं और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Tele Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.